I think we can be exceptionally proud of what we do here in Wales when it comes to innovation and technology. I know that what I've seen in the exhibition hall next door is in many ways the tip of the iceberg. It is the best amongst the very good. And what I say to those young people in this room today is keep at it. The innovation that you have shown will stand you in excellent stead in the years to come. We need people like you. We need to make sure that we're up there with the best in the world when it comes to designing things and making things.
The Creativity Prize, which includes a trophy for the school, £125 for the student, and for the school, it's Myles Chapman, Ysgol Dyfyn Gwyr, for his space-saving table desk. The IP Prize, which is a trophy, £125 for the student and £100 for the school, goes to Zachary Carter, Cardiff High School, for the collapsible wheelchair for MS sufferers. The CAD-CAM Prize, which is £125 for the student and £100 for the school, goes to a project that used CAD to design the work in its entirety and then moved to CAM to manufacture. I think Morgan Mai Williams knows it's his. Coleg Myron, the gardening aid. The first prize, which is sponsored by the South Wales Institute of Engineers Educational Trust, £250 for the student, £150 for the school and a cup for the school and student. Torrin Hughes from Cardinal Newman High School with a wet floor warning. The first prize, which is sponsored by Sequence, £250 for the student and £150 for the school, a cup for the school and the student. Kate Beryl Jones, Ysgol Bro Pedal with those incredible shoes. Only leaves me to announce who the overall winner of the Innovation Awards is. This is supported and sponsored by Abel and Imrie Patent Attorneys. It's Richard Davies of Llanfyllin High School for the Caravan reversing aid.